And we're using Python and OneTick's Python API to retrieve data. We can specify the output mode. By default, it's NumPy, so a dictionary of NumPy arrays, one array per field type. We can specify pandas and then return a data frame. We could equally specify PyArrow and return a PyArrow table. Or we could specify polars. So output mode equals polars, run. Now we have our polars output, which we can then subsequently query. So NumPy arrays, pandas data frame, PyArrow table, or polars.